On our Transit build, we chose to put these honking big tires on here and a massive water tank under where the spare tire typically would have gone. So that led us to put our spare, on the back door. And for that, we chose the Rover van's rear tire carrier that's got the ladder built into it. Here's a few things I love about this tire carrier. For one, it installs really easy. You're going to use the stock hinges right here, and you're going to, let us know if you have the 270s or the 180s. A couple bolts there. You're going to drill 2 holes right here, and it's going to be on in about, I'd give it about an hour really. And other cool things. Your tire mount's so easy. This is just a spin threaded deal right here that holds the tire in place. You got these pegs to easily get up on top of the roof of your vehicle. It's made of massive aluminum tubing. This thing is stout, strong, and it gets the job done, that's for sure. So as easy as it is to put your spare tire on here, it's that easy to take it off. So I definitely recommend putting some sort of cable lock through your tire and around the ladder, just as a theft deterrent, For $17.80, this rear door system comes in either a drill version or a no drill version if you're a little scared to put some holes in the rear door of your van. So we know we're going to be climbing up on the roof of our high roof Transit here. So having these pegs here makes getting up there super easy. Whether you have a high roof or a mid roof, this system will work for your van. As we know, when you start building out your Transit van, space becomes very crucial and you lose a lot of it really quickly. So to fix that problem, we chose the Rover rear accessory pack. This aluminum constructed rack is super easy to bolt on. Once again, the hinges, 2 holes right here, and your rack is on there. And these panels can accommodate any accessories that you want to put on there. So a box, in our system, our ski carrier, because we don't want to put our muddy snowboards and skis inside the van. We're just going to stick them right outside here. You can literally bolt anything you want to the Rover van's accessory pack. Something I really love about the Rover rack here is this design. This extension on the handle right here is so cool. I've seen little tethers and other weird ways to get in there, but this makes it so easy to open up. I love that.